morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region currently, seeing some warm temperatures as well into the lower to mid 80s across the area. Going to continue to see those warm conditions this morning, turning hot once we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours today. Heat indices today will be above 100 degrees this afternoon, so between about 100 105 degrees this afternoon. And with that, we do have a heat advisory in effect from 11 local to 16 local today for those heat indices approaching and exceeding 100 degrees. As far as your shower and thunderstorm chances, we did have some thunderstorms off the coast this morning. They have continued to move south and weaken. Not expecting any more showers and thunderstorms for today or tomorrow. Once we move into Saturday, going to see a chance of some evening showers and thunderstorms coming to play. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure in control as an upper level ridge builds over the region. That upper level ridge is going to give us this heat wave that is moving into the region today and continuing through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then finally could be seeing some relief once we get into early next week with possibly some onshore flow and some temperatures more towards seasonal levels. But with this heat wave, we'll see temperatures in the upper 90s for Friday and Saturday and possibly into Sunday with diurnal chances of showers and thunderstorms. But with this upper level ridge being so strong, those chances of showers and thunderstorms will be quite low until we get into the latter portion of the weekend as that ridge starts to break down some. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, going to see those clouds around 5,000 to 7,000 feet just off the coast continue to move south, and we'll in general see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. Any of these showers and thunderstorms will continue to weaken and not give us any adverse conditions today across the region. And moving on to our European model here for the next few days, you can see high pressure in control for today into tomorrow. The European did bring a band of showers and thunderstorms through the region for Friday evening here. That looks like an outlier among the models, as we'll have that upper level ridge still in place. We'll have abundant instability across the region, but not much forcing, and that upper level ridge should deter any activity moving into the region for our Friday evening. Looking into our Saturday, that looks like a better chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. They'll try to move into the region. May have a difficult time getting into our neck of the woods before Saturday evening, so for any firework activity for the 4th of July, could be seeing that occur and then seeing some showers and thunderstorms move in thereafter, and hopefully that's the case with this activity for Saturday. But the headline for Saturday will just be the hot and humid conditions, heat indices approaching 110 degrees during the afternoon hours. So do take some precautions if necessary for our Saturday with those very hot and humid conditions. And then for Sunday, we'll see another upper level disturbance moving through the region. As I mentioned, that upper level ridge starts to get beaten down some by an upper level trough starting to move into the center of the country. And that's going to allow for us to see a slightly better chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday evening comparatively to Sunday. And then we'll continue to see this trend of diurnal shower and thunderstorm chances for Monday as well into Tuesday, and possibly lingering even into Wednesday of next week. Doesn't look like a rain out any of these days. Cooler temperatures comparatively we'll have this heat wave will start on Tuesday and Wednesday, but overall going to see those chances of showers, thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and the evening hours, as is typical for this time of year. And taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of 92, those heat indices over 100 degrees this afternoon, and we'll see a low tonight of only 78, and temperatures quickly rising into mid-80s by Friday at 8 local. We'll see our sea breeze come on shore this afternoon, and with that we'll see a south-southwesterly wind 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 20 knots, and then overnight we'll see those winds turn more southwesterly again, and then by tomorrow morning have a light northwesterly flow, really allowing us to heat up quickly and starting that very hot day for our Friday. And our tides right now running normal. Looking at Friday and Saturday. Friday we'll see partly cloudy, hot and humid conditions, very slight chance of a thunderstorm late. Heat index values between 105 and 110 degrees. High expected around 98 degrees. So very hot day for Friday. And as I mentioned, European model did show some late day showers and thunderstorms moving through the region on Friday. We do have a lot of instability across the region for Friday. So we'll continue to monitor that if other models start to pick up on that chance for Friday evening. So for Friday night, we'll see mostly clear, warm, and humid conditions, a low of 79 degrees. And for Saturday, continuing with that heat wave, partly cloudy, hot, and humid, chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Heat index values once again between 105 and 110 degrees during the daytime hours, during peak heating, and we'll see a high of 98 degrees. Yellows for our precipitation and lightning here, looking about a 20-30% chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms during this time period. Slightly better chance to move past that 8 p.m. time period, which this forecast time does end on Saturday evening. So looking at our next 7 days, the worst of the heat wave comes on Friday and Saturday with temperatures in the upper 90s, heat indices near 110 degrees. Sunday, looking like that ridge starts to weaken slightly. We'll see isolated showers and thunderstorms once again on Sunday. Still hot, high 92 degrees. Heat indices will once again be over 100 degrees during peak heating on our Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, as you see here, temperatures finally start to get back towards seasonable averages. 86 on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, 82. We'll see overnight lows still in the mid to lower 70s, so still quite humid. And with that humidity and the upper level trough moving towards the region, we'll see a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms on Monday, and then isolated variety showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures I mentioned starting to cool back down into the lower 80s of Wednesday next week with some more onshore flow. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today and a wonderful 4th of July. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.